Oh ho ho, I'm so excited. Hi, it's Nancy, and I am excited today because I have the VineOh Oh Ho Ho Winter Seasonal Box. This is a wine subscription with self-care products in it too. Let's get into this. Hey everyone, welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. I am really glad that you are here to help me unbox today my very first VineOh box. This is one I've wanted to do for a long time, and I've choked on it because of the price, and I was honestly hoping that I could get some kind of an affiliation with them going. But I got a coupon code from another unboxer and it just was too good to refuse. So I decided I was going to go ahead, bite the bullet, order it, and open this. So let me tell you a little bit about this subscription before we get into the box. VineOh is a quarterly subscription that is a wine and self-care box that is designed for women. It is $64.99 a quarter, or you can pay $259 to have a little bit of savings for the whole year all at one time. Let's see, you get 2 bottles of wine and they will either be both white, both red, or you can get one of each, or you can get 2 sweet. I am a sweet drinker. I love Moscato, so there will be bottles of sweet wine in here for me, and I might be an extra bottle because of the coupon code I used. I can't remember, so we'll find out when I open it up. There is over $120 worth of value in each one of the boxes. This one's supposed to have $146 worth of value. Someone over 21 has to be around to sign when the box comes. Now, they do give you notification that it's coming, but because there's wine in there, you need someone of age to sign. And one thing I love about this subscription is this is the only subscription company I know who does this. If you would like to gift one of your quarterly subscriptions to someone else, like let's say the next box will be spring and I would like to send it to my sister because I appreciate her and she's having a hard time or something like that. Whoever you want, a birthday, anniversary, whatever occasion, if you want to gift it to someone else instead, you can just go in there, change the address, and have it sent out in that direction instead of to you. Just make sure you switch it back to yours after you've done that, after it ships, so that you're sure to get the ones after that. And let's see, they can ship to any of the continental United States, so not Alaska and Hawaii, except for Alabama, Arkansas, Delaware, Mississippi, Rhode Island, and Utah. Utah, I kind of understand. The rest of them, I don't get it, but okay. So if you live in one of the states that is not those, you can get this box. Shipping is included in the price of the box. Okay, let's get into this and see what is in here. If I could make a suggestion to the VineOh, it would be the suggestion that I make to a lot of these companies, and that is please don't put my address on the top because I need to unbox for you and it makes it tricky to do that. So on the top here, we have the packing slip. Yes, and it looks like I have 2 wines, so I guess I wasn't getting an extra wine in this, but that's okay. Oh, by the way, I will have a discount link down below. And if you use my referral link down below, you will get $10 off of your next purchase at VineOh, and I will get $10 also. So that is not an associate's link, by the way. It's a referral link. It's what anybody gets when they purchase a VineOh box. So let's take a look at what's in here. So on the top, we have, I think this is going to be a box with our goodies. Oh my goodness. All right, there we go. I think this is going to have the non-wine things in it. And then next, let's open up this and see our wines. So this is the Tynes California Moscato. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read it while I show it to you. It says Tynes Moscato is a perfectly balanced sweet white wine with relaxing, fruity aroma. An excellent wine for an intimate gathering of friends. So I love Moscatos. Again, I love my sweet wines. And next up, This is New Crush, California Moscato. This one, by the way, the Times was a 2020 vintage, and this one is 2021. I've never heard New Crush. I think we mentioned this in a video, a Q&A with Sam and I, but I'm originally from the Napa Valley, California, and I haven't heard of either one of these wineries, but the last time I went home to visit and we drove through, there were so many new wineries. It was breathtaking. So I'm sure they're there, but they're Moscato, so they'll make me happy because they're nice and sweet. So New Crush 2021. It's a delicious sweet white wine with flavors of apple and pear. It finishes with a taste of honey and a perfect blend of sweetness. So that sounds delicious to me. Alrighty. So when Sam and I went to West Baden, I think a few of you knew about that for my birthday. He took me on a little trip to a really nice resort in West Baden, Indiana. It was absolutely beautiful. Old preserved historic hotel. We did a wine tasting there, and I got some really great taste of some sweet wines. I picked up one, but I also picked up a whiskey because I like whiskey too. But anyway, I love my wine. I'm saving those for Christmas. So this is something I can drink in the meantime. And now let's get into our self-care items. By the way, Sam did some video while we were in West Baden. Would any of you like to see that video when he puts it together? And would you, is that something you'd be interested in? See what we did on our little trip? We were gone for just over 24 hours, but we had so much fun. And we felt like we'd been gone for much longer when we came home. It was terrific. Okay, I digress enough. Let's get into the box. Oh, it says, "Oh, for me." That's cute. Here we are. This is what it looks like inside. And I understand that their snacks are absolutely delicious. So it says VineOh, the Oh Ho Ho box. Sip, back, relax, and unwind. And in here, on the back, are Let It Snow Mad Libs. Oh my goodness, when I was a kid, we would do Mad Libs in the car on long drives because we didn't have phones back then. And then it looks like they're going to cover the value of everything in here. And oh, fun. Okay, alrighty, let's take a look and I'll read a little description on each one as we go. First up, we have the, I'm gonna have to keep my glasses on for this, the Spongel All-in-One Beauty Treatment Sugar Plum Body Wash Infused Buffer. Says that this one is a body wash, a buffer. It's dermatologist tested, cleans, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. I got to see what this looks like inside. So this one is manufactured in Los Angeles, California. Go America. I'm curious if all of their things are manufactured in the US or not. I guess we will find out as we go. Next up, looks like a cup. Oh, look. Oh, that's pretty. The Swig Life Cocktail Club. It keeps things cold for up to 9 hours and hot for up to 3 hours. That is beautiful. So pretty. And it's got the little top where you can keep yourself from burning yourself or spilling too much, which is my favorite trick. I will bring a full mug of tea into the car with me, but well, not full. It's a big mug and it's about half full, which makes it a full mug if it was in a regular size glass. So the lid would be very, very handy. So this mug retails for $34 and it is hand wash only. So you don't want to put this in the dishwasher. And by the way, the Spongel Body Buff, I think this one retailed for $16. So there we go. So already we're up to $50 worth of value. Now we have these pretty little earrings. I'm going to take them out of the pack so you can see them better. And guys, I just got my ears re-pierced. Well, I've been doing it over the past month and a half, 2 months or so, because I have 2 holes in each ear now. I don't know if you can see that. So I got this one done, the first one done sometime in October, and then the second one I had it done on my actual birthday, November 9th. And I will be able to take the back one out pretty soon. Although it's just a little small earring, and I'm probably gonna just keep it in there permanently, but I'm happy to have both my holes again. Okay, this is, all right, there we go, finally. So these are the Violet and Brooke red stud earrings, and there's just a little bit about this I want to read to you. They're defined by overtly feminine vibe that's fun and playful, but they want women everywhere to be able to confidently wear their jewelry and accessories their own way. So they try to create styles that are ageless. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to check as far as hypoallergenicness and all that, but this is something I could see myself wearing because they're not going to dangle and get down in the way when I try clothes on and things like that when I make my videos. Next up, we have peppermint chunk nibbles. This says they are the delicious holiday spin on a nostalgic third-generation family recipe. They're sweet and salty with a hint of mint to put you in the holiday spirit. These treats will have your hand wandering back to the bag looking for that next bite. I'm gonna try my first bite right now. I am trying to write off sugar, but I mean, isn't it just my responsibility to take one for the team here? Those are really good. So, yeah, I thought I tasted some peanut, and I do. That is one of the allergens that's listed in here. So keep that in mind, but these are delicious. I'm giving the rest to Sam before I wipe the bag out. And it looks like this may be our last thing in the box. For our last item in the box, we have a really pretty scarf. Let me get it out of the packaging here. Finally, this is the Selene, New York Winter Cozy Scarf. It's $25. This is really pretty. It's not a bright red. It's a nice subtle red that I think would work with a lot. Very, very soft. I'll read about it in a minute, but I'm very curious as to the side. Okay, both sides look really good. It's like you don't have a wrong side, so this would be really easy to style. And it's really quite long. So here we go. Let me find out more about this. So what I found out about the Selene scarf is that this is a company that is out of New York. They've been around for about 30 years and they make premium quality. It is a cashmere feel, so it's not real cashmere, but I will say it's really soft and cozy. Very nice, lightweight. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so in our VineOh box for $65 a quarter, not a month, a quarter, I got 2 bottles of wine. I got my $25 value scarf, which I believe that looks really nice. I got the travel mug. I got a bag of yummy treats that are going to leave promptly so I don't eat them all. I got the Sponge L body wash infused buffer. That will be fun to use. And I got a really pretty pair of little red ruby earrings. There we are. That is my first VineOh unboxing. What did you think? Do you want to see this one again? I think I would like to unbox this one again. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but I do enjoy having a glass on occasion, and I definitely could go through 2 months in 2 bottles in the 3 months it would take to get a new box. I would love your feedback. Again, use my referral link down below if you would like $10 off, and we will see you on the next unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Behind any great recipe, there's a grandmother. I call mine Cuddy. Cuddy came up with a unique brand of gourmet. Nope, that doesn't make sense. Cuddy came up with a unique blend of gourmet ingredients that make up what we now call chunk nibbles. No, I'm still not liking the way I'm doing this. All right, peppermint chunk. Nope, let's just start this all the way over. Nibbles are a delicious holiday spin on a nostalgic third. Man, I am just messing this up. These nibbles are kicking my butt. We're starting over.